Good color usage is one of the key reasons why MagnatesMedia videos stand out in the internet. So in this chapter 4 of Animate like MagnatesMedia, I'm going to show you how to manipulate colors so that you can stand out like MagnatesMedia. So we're going to be using the previous project file that we have used for camera movement. So you can download the project file from the link in the description. So I'm going to show you 3 ways you can manipulate your colors in Adobe After Effects. Of course, there are many other ways. But these 3 ways will help you get started. So if you already have this project file, you're going to right click on your timeline, go to new, and then create a new adjustment layer. So now we're going to add the effect called hue and saturation. So if you come to the effects and control tabs here, you can see some of these things that you can control with. So I'll briefly use this so that you can see how it works. Like this master saturation or this master hue, you can turn it around to change the colors of the video, like you can see right here. So if you want to saturate this color you have chosen, you can also use the master saturation to saturate this all the way up. You can see how that is working. So this has made this bluish. So another thing you can do is to use the masking tool to separate where the part you may want this color to affect. So if you pull back right now, we can use the rectangle tool to decide where we want this to affect, or you can just simply use the pen tool to mask out an area where you may want this color to only affect. So let me just draw a rough line like this. You can take your time to draw whatever shape you like so that the effect will show. As you can see, this color only affects the left side of the screen now. See it? So you can hit F on your keyboard to reveal the feather. Then you increase the feather to about 100 so that we can feather things out. So if you deselect now, you can see this only affects one side of this. So this is one of the ways MagnatesMedia uses hue and saturation to affect its video. You can also apply the same change color to the walls layer. That is the layer which holds your wall. If you apply, this is after and this is before, if you like that. So you can also change individual layer color. So for example, you can select this man on the desktop right here, and then you add change to, for example, let's move our time indicator right here. Then you can add change color. So add this change color. So you're gonna use this color to change. Select the dropper here and select the part of the color you want to change. I'm gonna select this part of the color that is, because that blends better with the environment. So I'm gonna come right here. You can adjust the saturation and the hue to get different type of colors. So just play around with this. So you can see this is giving you a color. If you frequently watch MagnatesMedia video, you sometimes will see this type of effect in his video. Then you can use this matching tolerance to adjust how it looks. You see, if you use the matching tolerance, that changes how everything looks. So you can use the saturation right here also to increase the saturation. You see that? So we have now changed the color of this man alone, but only the cloth color. So the first one, you can use hue and saturation. Then you can use change color to change different elements of your video. That is going to make your video stand out if you want to really animate like MagnatesMedia. You see, as I play around, as this move into the area you have marked the first effect, that changes. That makes you a pro when your video is being played. Another way to pop up your colors while trying to animate like MagnatesMedia is the use of light leaks. I just added light leaks right here. If I preview this, you'll see what it has done. You can see the light leaks blinking. So I already made a detailed video on how to create a custom light leak in Adobe After Effects, you can check the video on the card above. That is going to help you get started so that you can create your own type of light leaks that you may need to brighten or make your videos look like a pro. You can see how I have manipulated the colors so far. These are just 3 ways you can manipulate colors in Adobe After Effects, but there are more ways, but this will help you get started. So if you have any question, please leave in the comment below. Then I will do my best to make sure I respond to all the questions. And if you find this video interesting and you want to up your game again, you can check this next video on the card. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.